In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails collected from a Leadpages page. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This is the first step in accessing the information we need. Once your browser is open, use the search bar to type in Leadpages. This will help you find the official site quickly. When the search results populate, look for the result that either is listed first or has the URL leadpages.com. It's important to ensure you're visiting the correct site to avoid any potential security risks. Once you've found the right link, go ahead and click it to proceed to the Leadpages homepage. Next, on the Leadpages site, locate and click on the Login button. This step is crucial as it will give you access to your personal dashboard, where all your options and tools are available. After clicking, you'll need to provide your login credentials. Carefully type in your username and password to access your account. Make sure your caps lock isn't on unless it's required for your credentials to avoid any login issues. Once logged in, navigate to the Leads section of your Leadpages account. This is where all the subscriber information is stored. Take a moment to explore the Leads section so you can familiarize yourself with the layout and the available options. In this area, you'll see all the emails that have been captured through your Leadpages forms. Now, you'll need to select the leads you want to export. If you want to export all your leads, you can do this efficiently by checking the top checkbox. This feature is designed for easily selecting all your entries at once. Alternatively, if you want to export specific contacts, you can individually check the boxes next to those particular leads. This flexibility allows you to tailor your export to exactly what you need. After you've selected the leads, look for the Export button and give it a click. Clicking this button initiates the export process. You won't have to wait on the page for too long, as shortly after clicking, you'll receive an email containing a download link to your exported leads file. This is a convenient method that allows you to retrieve and manage your data offline or share it with your team easily. That brings us to the end of the process. Now you know how to export emails collected from a Leadpages page with ease and efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for more useful tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe for regular updates. Feel free to drop any questions or comments below. Until next time.